coach yung taking ball.
Ayan, ito. Gaganyan.
Also, on behalf of Alex 35 Basketball League, Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng tatay na nandito po ngayon. At sa lahat na nagpapakatatay. Also, shout out sa napakagwapo, napakabata na coach ng Faong, Coach James Kuhlman.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday daw kay Harvey. All players, coaches, and captain ball, please proceed to the center of our court for the flipping.
Pwede makahira mo po.
May iba kami. Taas masyado.
Okay lang.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Luwan ka sa amin. Ay, si ano na kayo? Siguro dito niya lang. Ate Candy.
Para di ba bukas?
May laro po ako sa atin.
Hindi ko alam, Ben. Tanong mo na lang si... Sabihin ko naman, ano?
Wala na tayo dyan, wala na tayo dyan. Bakit na dito, bakit na? Let's start the game between Pau Ballers versus Ambassador.
Kung sakali lang.
First five. First five. Last game, Paung Ballers versus Ambassador.
Sabi ah. 3 man.
First five. First five. Ayaw niyo na, uwi na tayo. Ayaw umasa. Uwi na lang tayo.
Nakbayaw.
Jersey number 20, pasok Kapaulap. Lifting. Number 22, pass to De Paz. De Paz pass to Holote. Pass to Singson. Singson pass to jersey number 7. Is filled by jersey number 5. Bola ng foul. Jersey number 5 inbound the ball pass to James. James. Ten seconds to shoot. Jersey number 25. Wala. James ng number 5 pass to jersey number 25. Foul! Foul jersey number 30. First personal foul, first team foul. First attempt, pass off. Second attempt, pass off. Jersey number 17. It's still jersey number 25 from line. 2 points. Jersey number 4. Pass to Holorte. Back to the pass. The pass. The pass. Pass to number 22, Singson. Foul, foul ref. Foul jersey number 5. First personal foul ni Pogi. First attempt, pass off. Second attempt, pass off. Jersey number 30. Dorupan. Dorupan pasok Kasaul. Kasaul back to Dorupan. 10 seconds to shoot. Dorupan pinasa at 25. Pass to jersey number 6. Wala na remaining jersey number 25. 10 seconds to shoot. Kasaul. Kasaul for 3 points by Kasaul. Jersey number 4. The pass. The pass pinasa ay number 22. Number 22 sign up. My foul, jersey number 5. Second personal foul by Pogi. Jersey number 22 inbound the ball pass to number 4. The pass. 10 seconds to shoot. Walang tira ni number 17. Kasaul. Kasaul. Sumalaksak. Nice tira ni the pass. The pass to Durian. 2 points by Durian. Dorupan. Dorupan. Pass to number 25. Nakuha ng Pogi. Pinasa number wala. Nakuha ng number 22. Jersey number 22. Matangi sumalaksak. Tumira. Foul basket. Foul wearing jersey number 30. Pushing foul. Body shot by jersey number 22. Pass off. Not basket stepping on the line. Dorupan. Dorupan. Holding foul by jersey number 17. Jersey number 30, Dorupan. Pinasa kay Pogi. Jersey number 5. 10 seconds to shoot. Dorupan. Pass to Bongay. Bongay. 2 points. Bongay. Bongay para hindi Bongay. The pass. The pass. The pass umatake. Tumira. Basket by the pass. Dorupan. Pass to Pogi. Back to Dorupan. May foul na nakuha. Foul jersey number 17. Jersey number 17. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution. Jersey number 30. 10 to shoot. Kasaul, sumalaksak. 2 points by Kasaul. The pass. The pass. The pass. The pass and bound the ball pass to Simpson. Jersey number 30 passes 0-3. 3 points by Jersey 0-3. Jersey number 30. Number 30. Number 25, 10 seconds to shoot. Kasaul is still by jersey number 22. Pass to the pass. 2 points. 11-13 in favor of Ambassador. Jersey number 30, pass to number 25, Bongay. Wala ang rebound ni number 30. Pass to number 22, Singson. Singson for 2. Basket! Time out! Baum Ballers. Time remaining on the clock. 3 minutes and 56 seconds. Score 11-15 in favor of Ambassador. Back to the ball game. Our ball. Wala ang tira ni Relok. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Sumalap. Up. Offensive foul by jersey number 7. Our ball.
Isa pa lang po.
Jersey number 3. Pasok Kasaul. On the side. Wala. Rebound number 22. Pass to the pass. The pass. Mahigpit na bilaban kaya ni Relok. The pass. The pass. The pass. Pinasa. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul! Foul by jersey number 14, Kasaul. Pushing foul. First attempt. Pasok. Second attempt. Pasok. Jersey number 2. Pasok Kasaul. Pasok number 6. Wala na rebound number 30. Number 7. Pass to 0-3. Pass to number 22 to lead points by jersey number 22. Jersey number 3, our ball. Our ball team nasa kay Kasaul, 2 points. Jersey number 03. Pass to jersey number 30. Foul! Who's foul? Jersey number 6. Substitution. Penalty situation. Penalty situation. Sorry. Substitution. Substitution. Ibain. Number 30, first attempt. Pasok. Second attempt. Pasok. Our ball. Pass to Bowman. Pass to Melo. On the side. Wala na one number 25. 2 points. Trying to be 1 minute and 45 seconds. Jersey number 4, the pass. Foul. Jersey number 8, holding foul. Penalty situation. Time remaining on the clock. 1 minute and 34 seconds. First attempt. Wala. Second attempt. Pasok. Substitution. Number 25. Foul. Jersey number 3. Hot check foul. Winning jersey number 7 for the first personal foul. First attempt, pass out. Second attempt. Pass off. Number 4. Jersey number 4. Number 4. Wala. Rebound by that one in number 10. Foul. Foul wearing jersey number 2. Kakilala, first attempt. Wala. Second attempt. Wala. Jersey number 40. Yep. 1 minute left. Red up, pass to our ball. Our ball. Our ball. Our ball team nasa kay Bongay. Bongay. Gumagawa. Wala na rebound ni Relo. 10 seconds to shoot. Our ball. Wala. Jersey number 7. Pass to the pass. 2 points by the pass. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 3, our ball. Our ball, lumatake sa gitna pinasa kay Kasaul. Kasaul. Foul! Foul, jersey number 10. First attempt. Wala. Second attempt. Pasok!
Okay, last shot!
10 seconds. 5 seconds. Traveling violation. F of the first quarter is score 18-25 in favor of Ambassador. Back to the ball game. Bola ng Ambassador. Number 4 pass to number 17. First to number 17 pass to number 4. Number 4 tumira ng 3. 3 points by jersey number 4. Labas. Jersey number 18 ball the ball. Pass to number 3. Number 3 our ball. Pass to number 20. Pass number 6. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala. Na-rebound ni Ibay. Ibay wala rebound by number 22 Simpson. Jersey number 4. Number 4. Wala. Foul counted. Foul, jersey number 3. Holding foul. A bonus free throw for Mr. Villaflor. Pasok. 31-18 in favor of Ambassador. Number 3. Lifting. Ball handling violation. Jersey number 4. Pass to number 17. Jersey number 17. Jersey 17. Pinasa sa labas. Kingston number 3. Points by jersey number 22. Simpson. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 6. Wala na rebound number 22. Pass to jersey number 17. Jersey number 17 up. Nakuha ang bola. Jersey number 8. Relax. Jersey number 8. Foul basket. Foul jersey number 10. Substitution. Wearing jersey number 10. Second personal foul. First team foul. A bonus split goal para kay Relo. Pasok! Jersey number 4, pass to number 17. Colorte. Colorte lumalag, Barreto gira. 2 points by Colorte. Relo. Reloj pasubay. Pasok Kasaul. Kasaul. Kakain na! Jersey number 17. Holorte. Holorte umatake. May nakuhang foul! Blocking foul by jersey number 25. First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 14 pass to Holorte. Wala. Kasaul. Kasaul. Pass to number 6. Pass to 25. Bongay. Pass to number 6. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 12 is still by jersey number 14. Pinasa kay Relo. Pinasa kay number 6. Pinasa kay 25. Bongay. Foul! Foul jersey number 14. First attack, pasok. Second attack. Pasok. Holorte. Bongay. Number 6. Number 6 umatake. Wala na ako rin yung iba. Jersey 2 points na jersey number 2. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. Ten seconds to shoot. Wala. Number 4. Foul. Last one wrap. Foul jersey number 14. Substitution. Jersey number 14. Second personal foul. Third team foul. First attempt. Pasok. Second attempt. Pasok. Number 30. Dorupa. Pinasok sa number 6. Umatake sa malaksak. Tumirawan na. Pass to jersey number 14. Pass to jersey number 22. Jersey number 22. Wala. Nakuha ni Holorte. Holorte. Pass to jersey number 14. Traveling violation. Jersey number 8. Relong pass to Durupan. Durupan. Pass to Kasaul. Kasaul. Foul. Substitution. 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 Very jersey number 14, second personal foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 30. Wala. Ang rebound ay Kasaul. Foul. Foul jersey number 7. Wearing jersey number 7, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 6. Pass to number 25. Nakuha ni number 30. Pinasa kay Holorte. Holorte. 2 points by Holorte. Jersey number 8, Relo. Number 6 din nasa sa labas. Time out. Following numbers. Score 27-20 in favor of Ambassador. Time remaining on the clock. 4 minutes and 31 seconds. Back to the ball game. Jersey number 32 inbound, the ball pass to number 17. Jersey number 17. Jersey number 4. Number 4, 2 points by jersey number 4. Jersey number 13. Jersey number 14, kasaon! Kakain na! Not foul. Foul jersey number 30. Jersey number 30, second personal foul, warning for penalty. The pass, sumalaksak, pinas na ilalim na rebound mo. Number 22, Wale. Number 7, wala pa rin. Jersey number 6. Reynolds, 2 points.
Oh, we're cooking.
Substitution. Darupan in, Tulo. Tulo in, Darupan out. Redox inbound, the ball pass to number 23. Jersey number 23 pass to number 6. Number 6. Wala, rebound by number 30. Jersey number 30 pass to jersey number 17. Wala, up! May foul, pushing foul, jersey number 23. Penalty situation. Jersey number 23, first personal foul, penalty situation.
Napakaganda ng laban.
First up ang pasok. Second attempt. Pasok. Kasaul 2 points. Pasok. Jersey number 14. Two points by jersey number 25. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. Two points by jersey number 4. Jersey number 8. Relax, pasok na sa Luis, pero ba Colorte? Colorte, pasok the pass. Wala na, wala number 6. Jersey number 6, pass to 23. Jersey number 30, kuha ni Colorte. Colorte, foul counted! Foul jersey number 23. Substitution. Jersey number 23, second personal foul.
Para TV, ha?
Bahin mo kami. Pag nag-away ka kasi, hindi ako isang polo.
Jersey number 30. Pass to number 22, umaatake. Foul! Foul jersey number 23, third. Personal foul, penalty situation. 23. Fourteen. Last call. Last call mo. 23. Oh. 23. Last call natin, 23. Number 23, third personal foul. Jersey number 8. Pass to 23. Pass to number 12. Wala. Nakuha ni number 25. Labas ang bola. Save ball. 11 seconds to shoot. 1 minute remaining time for the first half of this game. Number 8. Wala. Narino ni number 14. Pass to number 8. 3 seconds to shoot. Shot clock violation. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 7. Wala na rin niya ng up. Bola ng foul. Jersey number 23. Jersey number 25, pass to 14, back to number 25, labas ang bola. 23 seconds left. 23 seconds. Jersey number 17. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And at the first half, he scored 35-51 in favor of Ambassador.
I-announce mo yung mga fouls. Naka-announce mo din na nag-champion na yung mga points lang. Lalo na yung
Sa mga may pusta po sa PBA, champion daw po ang Meralco. 2 points lang daw ang lamang. So, foul trouble para sa team Ambassador. Jersey number 10, second personal foul. Jersey number 30, first personal foul. Jersey number 7, second personal foul. Jersey number 17, second personal foul. jersey 03, first personal foul. Jersey number 14, second personal foul. Team foul and bonus, wearing jersey number 5, second personal foul. Jersey number 3, first personal foul. Jersey number 30, second personal foul. Jersey number 6, first personal foul. Jersey number 23, third personal foul. Jersey number 8, first personal foul. Jersey number 14, second personal foul. Jersey number 25, first personal foul. And jersey number 2, first personal foul. Official score 35-51 in favor of Ambassador.
Parang may isang naglaro mo sa ilang mali. Kaso parang may kuya.
Malata kasi itim naman yan. Ito naman. Sabre.
Okay siya, alam mo yung mga player, kahit bakit pag matalo, tapos na next day
Kilala ko yun, ito nga pala pumito.
pinapasok ko kay coach yun.
Hindi, lalaro ka nga daw doon. Kasi tropa mo si Jet. Kaya nga sa gabi doon yun. Sabi niya, sabi ko, magpapadaw ko yung naman dito, sir. Mag-chat ka muna kay COVID yan. Kasi yun ang pinakauna natin. Kasi ba yung vlog yun? Kasi John Jet kasi ang dapat pala yun na. Okay naman kasi sabi nila, ano ba? Iyakin ko yung mga taga-Silverio. Ang iyakin yung mga blue. Potura. Ito naman natin.
Jersey number 30. Pinasa ka number 6 passerized. Still by jersey number 4. Jersey number 4, 2 points. Jersey number 30. Pinasa kay Relox number 8. Wala. Number 8 pa din, 2 points by Relox. Jersey number 17, 2 points. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. Number 8, pass to number 6, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 8, pass to number 30. Wala na rebound ng number 25. Is stepping on the line. 8 seconds to shoot. Shot clock, 8 seconds. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 30. Stepping on the line. substitution. So sa lahat po ng mga magsasub, lapit po sa committee. Also kapag may timeout po tayo, i-advance po natin, ha? Jersey number 4. Number 4. Nakuha na number 25. Pass to number 14, Kasaul. 2 points by Kasaul. Jersey number 17. Same ball, 14 seconds to shoot. Number 7. 10. Jersey number 17. Walang rebound ni Kasaul. Kasaul. Pass to jersey number 25, 2 points. Jersey number 17. Pass to number 7. Seconds to shoot. Jersey number 30, pass to number 22. Same ball, 3 seconds, shot clock. $14 seconds to shoot. Offensive foul. Jersey number 17, 2 points. Jersey number 25. Foul. Last goal wrap. Foul jersey number 30. Jersey number 30, second. Personal foul, second. Team foul. First attempt, pasok. Second attempt, pasok. Jersey number 22. Number 22. Same ball, 18 seconds to shoot.
Nakatakbo ka naman na. Nakatakbo ka naman. Nakatakbo lang.
Jersey number 4, wala. Narela nilang 117. Team nasa number 6. Number 6. Number 12, foul! Who's foul wrap? Foul jersey number 30. Jersey number 30, third. Personal foul, third. Team foul, substitution. Jersey number 22. Wala. Nakakuha na. Save ball. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Color. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 4. 5 to shoot. Wala. Nakakuha number 4. Kaya, bola ng foul. Jersey number 14. Relax. Pass to Kasaul. Kasaul. Wala. Na-rebound ni jersey number 7. Jersey number 14. Pass to Kasaul. 2 points by Kasaul. Jersey number 22. 2 points by jersey number 22. Reserve timeout.
Cancel. Cancel tawag.
Jersey number 12. Jersey number 40. 3 points.
Wait lang, sir, ha? Wait lang po. Inaster mo kasi.
Jersey number 4. To shoot. 2 points. Jersey number 8. Pass to number 14. Up. Foul by jersey number 22. Time out. Ambassador. Back to the ball game. Jersey number 14. Jersey number 15. Nakakuha ni number 4. Number 4. 2 points by jersey number 4. Jersey number 14. Number 12, pass to number 8. Number 8 for 2. Wala na, rebound ni number 25, 2 points. Jersey number 22. Wala. Rebound ni number 25. Jersey number 25. 2 points by jersey number 12. Jersey number 4. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 10 to shoot. Jersey number 8. Number 8. Wala. Ang rebound ni number 25. 2 points. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 17. Blocking foul by jersey number 15. Time out. Ambassador. Isa na lang po ang natitirang time out ng Ambassador hanggang fourth quarter. Back to the ball game.
Umalis si Magidat kahapon, pagtapos ng laro, malakas ang talo sila. Oo, umalis si Bading kahapon. Ano kasi mag-iiksitahan? Asa na ba yung statistician? Uy, nakatira sa amin, timer lang sa place number.
Seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Traveling violation. Jersey number 3. Pinas sa ilalim. One number 25. Wala. Jersey number 22. Pass to number 4. Wala na one number 25. Pass to number 12.
Oh, sayang.
Jersey number 17. Wala na rin ang number 30. Pass to number 4. 10 seconds to shoot. Shot clock 5. Two point. Jersey number 12. Pass to number 14. Pass to 15. Labas. Jersey number 4. 52 seconds. Jersey number 14. 2 points. Jersey number 4. Pass to number 10, libre, 2 points. 24 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10. 5 seconds. Foul. Foul, jersey number 22. Substitution, jersey number 22, second personal foul. Akop shooting.
Nasa beto ako na. Kanina ka. First quarter, siya first quarter.
Second attempt. Pasok. 3 seconds. And quarter score 59-67 in favor of Ambassador. So before we start our fourth quarter of the game, review ulit natin foul trouble, Team Ambassador, jersey number 22, second foul. Jersey number 10, second personal foul. Jersey number 30, third foul. Jersey 7, third foul. Jersey 17, second foul. Jersey 03, first foul. And jersey 14, second foul. Team foul ballers. Jersey 5, second foul. Jersey 3, first foul. Jersey 15, first foul. Jersey 30, second foul. Jersey number 6, first foul. Jersey number 23, third foul. Jersey number 8, first foul. Jersey number 14, second foul. Jersey number 25, first foul. And jersey number 2, first foul. Isa na lang po ang time out ng Ambassador. Ang foul ballers, tatlo pa, pero pag nag-down 2 minutes tayo, hindi po kayo nakagamit ng time out. Automatic, dalawa na lang po matitira. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Jersey number 3 pass to jersey number 6. Jersey number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala. Jersey number 10 pass to number 22. Pass to number 4. Spinner pass to 17. Foul! Jersey number 15. Jersey number 15. Second personal foul. First team foul. First attempt. Stop. Second attempt. Stop. Number 3, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 14, rebound by number 12, 5 to shoot. Number 6, wala. Rebound by number 14, Kasaul, 2 points. Jersey number 4. Labas ang bola. Jersey number 3. Wala. Rebound ni number 15. 2 points by jersey number 15. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 17. Number 6. Pass to jersey number 15. Still by number 7. Timeout, Ambassador. Yan na po ang last timeout ng Ambassador. Wala na po silang timeout. Back to the ball game. Jersey number 17, number 22. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 4. Pass to number 22. 22 to Ruwala. To number 15. Pass to number 12. Labas. Jersey number 14, third personal foul. Substitution. Substitution. Jersey number 17. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 25. Jersey number 25. Jersey number 14 to 4. Jersey number 17. Jersey number 17. Foul. Foul jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Second personal foul. First team foul. Jersey number 4. Pass to number 17. Pass to number 4. 10 seconds to shoot. Offensive foul by jersey number 4. Jersey number 4's first personal foul. First team foul. Jersey number 3. Wala na rebound ni jersey number 6. Still by jersey number 17. Jersey number 17. Foul! Foul jersey number 15. Jersey number 15. Third personal foul. 1 4 foul. First of all, not good. Setting it down. Wala kayo. Pero number 3. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 25, passing number Hula. Jersey number 17. Jersey number 7. 2 points for jersey number 7. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 14. Wala. Nariban ni jersey number 4. May first time out. Jersey number 17. Passer. Time out. Baun. Honor. Back to the ball game. $65-73 in favor of Ambassador. Time remaining on the clock. 5 minutes, 36 seconds. Jersey number 3. Number 3. Pass by number 30. Jersey number 4. Wala. Jersey number 4. 2 points by jersey number 4. Jersey number 30. Number 15. Wala. Nakakuha na number 22. Passing number. Pinasa sa labas. Time out. Baon ballers. Isa na lang po ang natin time out ng Baon ballers. Habang ang Ambassador ay wala ng time out. Time remaining on the clock. 4 minutes, 58 seconds. Score 75-65 in favor of Ambassador. Back to the ball game.
Nakita tayo ng kasal. Hinahanap na ako ba sa hinahanap na ako ng friend. Mas kami na ako. Kasi yung magaling na ka ng lisensya. Isang araw na naman yun. Ano?
Number 21, wala. Nariba ni Kasaway. Wala para nila number 22. Number 22. Foul! Kasa! Foul, jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, second personal foul. Basket ang bonus free throw. Ang daming kinikilig. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Wala. Na-rebound na nakuha ni number 14. Second to shot. May foul na nakuha. Foul jersey number 17. Wearing jersey number 17, third personal foul. Second team foul. "14 seconds to shoot." Number 14. Set to shoot. number 6. 2 points by number 6. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 6. Pass to number 14. 2 points by jersey number 14. 6'9", 78. Jersey number 17. Jersey number 4. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 4. Pass to number 30. Wala na kuha ni jersey number 25. Buhay! Buhay ang matake! Wala na kuha ni jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Pinasa kay Brady Pierce. 2 points by jersey number 22. Jersey number 8. Pasok Masaw. Kasawon. 2 points. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. 10 seconds to shoot. Shot clock down to 5. 2 points by jersey number 20. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 6. Warning belt. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket. Jersey number 4. Who's fouled out? Foul jersey number 8. Third personal foul. Bonus whistle para kay jersey number 4. Committee's timeout. Committee's timeout. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Bonus free throw. $71-84 in favor of Ambassador. A bonus free throw para kay Deplas. Wala last 2 minutes. Wala. Rebound na jersey number foul. Last call na foul, jersey number 22. Jersey number 22, third personal foul, third team foul. Second attempt. Pasok. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. The pass. The pass setting a play. 10 seconds to shoot. Nakuha ng guard. Jersey number 17. Labas ang bola. Timeout. Paum. Ballers. Wala na pong timeout. Both teams. Paulong penalty. Ambassador third team foul. Score po natin 72 and 84 in favor of Ambassador. Time remaining on the clock 1 minute and 24 seconds. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 25. Wala, na-arriba ni jersey number 22. Back to jersey number 17. Back to jersey number 4. Setting a play. 1 minute left. Jersey number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 22. 5 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 7. Foul. Foul jersey number 25. Jersey number 25. Second personal foul and a penalty situation. Penalty situation. First attempt, wala. Second attempt. Wala pa rin. Jersey number 6. 2 points. 35 seconds. Seconds to shoot. Just 5 seconds. 2 points. 13 seconds. 10. 3 points. By jersey number 14. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Our score is final score 77-86.
Tama.